For generations, the LGBTQIA plus community has stood with courage and in the pursuit of equality, dignity, and acceptance. Through every story shared, every voice raised, and every challenge overcome, they have shown the world that change begins when people choose to speak with purpose. But true progress is not only about being heard, it's also about understanding others through the willingness to listen. Now, your question is, as a member of the LGBTQIA plus community, when is the right time to speak? And when is the right time to listen?
May I remind everyone that you have 45 seconds to answer. DJ, palihog po 45 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now. The right time to speak and the right time to listen is when the situation is serious. Ladies and gentlemen, as a member of LGBT community, I am fully aware of what's really happening in our country right now. As someone who is fully aware of what's happening in our politics, I want to speak from my heart that all of us Filipino citizens should listen and should speak of what's really happening around our country because we are living in a democratic country. And as someone who is a third time joining beauty pageant here in our municipality, I am ready to become a representation and a voice for the LGBT community here in our municipality. And I hope that every one of us will become more aware and become more responsible of our words and of our actions. Because every time, because 45, your timer is up.
When is the right time to speak? And when is the right time to listen?
Candidate number 10, you have 45 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now.
I believe that being in the LGBTQ plus community is something that we should not have a limit on like when we should speak and when we should listen, because being in this community, we also face discrimination and hate from people who doesn't accept us. So I think we should be able to speak whenever we want to, as what speaks in our mind, and to listen as well, to not cross boundaries and like crossing the lines of disrespecting other people. Thank you.
Okay!